Hello, I'm Kazuyo. Welcome to this lesson on the single handle bucket bag, part of the Kazuyo Nakano handbag design course. This video guides you step by step through the entire virtual assembly process in the CLO3D program, including handle folding, magnetic tab closure, top stitching, zero gravity simulation, and creating a posted bottom shape. In the next step, we'll adjust those angles to improve the drape. Use the Edit Sewing tool to select the sewing lines. In the Property Editor, set the fold angle to 90 degrees and adjust the fold strength to around 25 for better tension. Right-click in the 3D window and open Simulation Property. Set the gravity value to 0 in the Property Editor. When simulation is activated, the handle will float upward and curve naturally. Use the free sewing tool to connect the tab to the body. Select the turned sewing line type for a clean finish. Use segment sewing to add the second line on both sides of the tab. Turn on simulation with zero gravity. The tabs will close and the final shape of the bag will be formed.